Imagine this. You are in class. The teacher asks you, "Can you introduce yourself in English?"
And you think, "Oh no, I will make a mistake. People will laugh. I cannot do this."
But wait, what if you think differently? What if you say in your head, "It's okay, I can try. Mistakes are normal. I am learning."
Suddenly, you smile. You feel strong. You speak English. People listen. You feel happy.
Yes, this is the power of positive thinking in your English journey.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to True Fluency channel.
Today, we will talk about a very special topic, how positive thinking changes your English learning journey.
If you are new, please click subscribe and the bell icon.
Because here, we make English simple, fun, and friendly.
And if you are already subscribed, thank you. You are amazing.
Many students think English is only grammar, vocabulary, and practice.
But your mindset, the way you think, is your first teacher.
If you think, "I am bad at English," your brain feels weak. You stop trying.
But if you think, "I can learn step by step," your brain feels strong. You keep going. My student Maria always said, "I cannot speak English. My English is terrible." One day, I told her, "Say, I am learning English. I am improving every day." She laughed, but she tried. After 3 months, her confidence grew and her English became better. Practice, repeat together. I can learn English. I am improving every day. Mistakes help me learn. Many learners are afraid of mistakes. They think, if I make a mistake, people will laugh.
But remember, every mistake is your teacher. One student wanted to say, "I am full" after eating. But he said, "I am fool." Everyone laughed kindly. He felt embarrassed. That mistake became his best lesson.
So don't run from mistakes. Smile at them. Practice. Say it out loud. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes help me grow. Mistakes are my friends.
Yes, positive thinking also means celebrating small wins.
Example, you learned 5 new words today. Clap for yourself.
You said one sentence in English at the shop? Celebrate. My friend Andrew practiced English by ordering coffee. "One coffee, please." He smiled the whole day because he used English in real life. That small moment gave him big confidence.
Yes, step by step, small wins make a big English journey. Practice. I celebrate small wins. Every word I learn is progress. Step by step, I improve.
Positive thinking changes how you lear. Imagine you listen to English audio. You don't understand everything.
Negative mind says, I am stupid. I cannot understand.
Positive mind says, "It's okay. I understood 3 words. Next time I will understand more."
Which mind learns faster? Of course, the positive one. My student Anna watched an English movie. She only understood 20%. She wanted to stop, but she said, "No, I will continue." Next month, she understood 40%. Now she enjoys movies without subtitles. Practice. I understand more every day. I will not give up. English is fun to learn.
Yes, your energy changes people. Positive thinking not only helps you, it also changes how people see you.
If you smile, people listen. If you laugh, people relax. If you try with confidence, people respect you.
English is not only words, it is energy. I once met a man with very simple English. He only said, "Hello, I am happy to meet you," but he said it with a big smile. Everyone loved him. His positive energy was more powerful than perfect grammar. Practice. I smile when I speak. People like my confidence.
Now, tell us in the comments, do you think positive thinking helps your English?
Write one positive sentence about your English in the comments. Example, I am learning every day.
We will read your comments and cheer for you.
Today we learned 5 big ideas. 1. Your mindset is your first teacher. 2. Small wins make a big journey. 3. Mistakes are friends.
With positive thinking, you will enjoy your English journey more and you will grow faster. Okay, and thank you so much for watching today's video.
Remember, English is not a race. It is a journey. Stay positive and enjoy every step.
Please click like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
You are amazing. We believe in you.
See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.